Hello friends, daily use English sentences. Cheer up, cheer up, cheer up. Come on, come on, come on. Don't be so childish. Don't be so childish. Don't be so childish. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? How are you? How are you? How are you? Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good night. Good night. Good night. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. I admire you. I admire you. I admire you. I apologize. I apologize. I apologize. They like each other. They like each other. They like each other. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I'm sorry. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's catch up. Let's catch up. Let's catch up. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. I feel much better. I feel much better. I feel much better. Thanks for watching, guys.